Alright, let's start with the tempo. We're in 153 BPM. Let me break down the intro real quick. Here's the main sound. It's ethereal guitar. I'm using the regular guitar pluck setting. Here's what it sounds like when it's soloed. And here are the notes that I'm playing. I played around on my MIDI keyboard until I came up with this. And I have this sound over here, woodblock space, and it's playing the exact same notes. Here's what it sounds like together. Let me actually solo that for you real quick so you hear what it sounds like. As you can see, it's playing the exact same note. And I'm using the reverse setting. And once again, the name of the preset is called Woodblock Space. It's under Mallets. When you open up Alchemy Synth, it's under Mallets. Woodblock Space is right down here. And I have this counter melody playing right here. I'm using the ethereal guitar preset. You can find it under Alchemy Synth, stringed ethereal guitar. I'm just using the regular guitar pluck preset. So all together, this is what it sounds like. And I had this transitional effects coming in before the drop. Here's my 808 pattern. All my drum sounds and 808s are from my 100 drum kit. Link is in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Got the claps coming in. And here's my hi-hat pattern. And here's what my hi-hat pattern looks like. Basically how I got the first three notes is you want to zoom in close to the grid as possible, and yeah, I drew in the three notes. Basically I did the same thing over here. And I have another counter melody coming in when the beat drops. The name of the preset is Cosmic Boys Choir. I'm using the blurred choir setting over here. And here's what it sounds like with everything together. Starting from the 17th bar, I added some rim shots. And I thought about adding this flute in here, but yeah, I decided against it. I just thought it wasn't really necessary for this beat. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this beat. Hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. If you want to see more breakdowns like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, share. Also hit that notification bell. I live stream every Wednesday and Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific, 9 p.m. Eastern time, so make sure to tune in.